Hey everybody, this is Mark here, and today we are out on a camping trip, and I am going from the Governor Knowles State Forest, and I'm headed towards the Governor Earl Peshtigo State Park. But on my way, I happened to notice a rustic road. Now, typically I wouldn't stop because I've got so many hours to ride to get from one destination to the other, but this is a very short road. It says 2 miles on the sign over here, but in actuality it's like 2.2 miles. So the other reason why I stopped though is because I left super early this morning to get away from some storm clouds, and as you can see, I'm in sun now. So I think I am well away from the storm clouds. I got a little time to play with. So we're going to ride Rustic Road 71 and we'll see what it's got. All right, guys, here we go. Rustic Road number 71, just off of a whim. I see a speed sign here saying 25 miles an hour. Now this road kind of skirts along the western shore of Stone Lake. You probably can't see it through the dense forest of trees, but it's right over there. Oh wow, even got speed bumps up here, huh? Oh, okay. So there must be a lot of houses along this lake. Get to see a little bit of water there. This is nice. Got a nice view there, man. That's a nice little cabin to have. Oh, speed bump. Let's just go around the speed bump instead of actually hitting it. Oh, look at this. We got water on both sides of us now. Nice. Nice, nice, nice. One thing I like about a motorcycle is you don't have to hit those speed bumps. Kind of broken up right there. Oh, I got a gentleman walking his dog. Good morning. Sorry, the road's kind of bumpy, guys. Yeah, this isn't bad. The road's a little rough, but got some hills to climb. Got a stop sign here. Look at that. We just keep on going straight. Look at that house. Holy cow. And another big one. Whew. You know, the thing that gets me is that these are like people's vacation cabins. You know, they say they want to go up north, and this is what they talk about. Yeah, got some nice water views now. Usually it's for a home on this side, having lake access on this side, so they clear all this stuff out. Haven't noticed anything for any type of a sandy beach though. Nothing that's open to the public. Okay, now right up here is Little Stone Road, and I see no sign, but we need to turn and go down this road here. And yes, it's called Little Stone Road. Speed limit is still 25 through here. This is kind of nice. Road's a little bumpy, but not bad. Okay, and then we come out to County A, and that is the end of our road. So no end sign here either, but as you can see behind me, there is a number sign. So okay, so that is the end of Rustic Road 71, and it was kind of rough. The road was kind of rough, but not horrible. I've definitely been through worse. Oh, I forgot my gloves. And I lost one, so I'm going to have to ride the road, try to find it. But once you got to get some good scenic views of the lake, it was actually a nice ride, and the hills and the curves are, of course, always fun. So this is Mark saying thank you so much for coming. Yeah, come out and ride Rustic Road 71. In fact, go out and ride any of the rustic roads in the program. They are very good for the most part. I mean, very seldom do I find a road that I just don't like, but this is not one of those. Okay, so this is Mark saying thank you again for watching. Always believe you can go out for your adventure. Always believe in yourself, heart, soul, mind, and body, that you can do it. Bye, guys. Okay, now we got 4 hours to get to our next camp. Let's go. Just letting you guys know that I did drive back down the road, and I did find my missing gloves, so I have both of them now. All right, see you guys later. Bye.